We're going to take a look at how Zembly helps simplify the task of creating a simple orkut application. By the way, for any of the following steps, you can check out the Zembly wiki on creating an orkut application, which also provides the orkut sandbox URL from which you perform submissions, and also the URL for the tutorials on orkut applications on orkut itself. The first thing we'll do is we'll create an orkut application. We'll create a simple orkut application. Here's our application page on Zembly. The first thing we're going to do once we get the application page is we're going to sign up for an orkut.com account and an orkut sandbox account. Now that I have my orkut sandbox account, I can add the orkut application to my orkut profile. I go to the application page on the orkut sandbox, and I click on Add Application. This is the orkut application on orkut. I've now added it to my profile. I take the URL from that application in the browser, copy it, and add it to my Canvas URL on the Zembly orkut application page. Next step is to upload some resources. Once you have uploaded the resources, Zembly tells you the application is valid. You can find out how to submit the application by clicking here and going to the Zembly wiki. What the wiki will tell me to do is to click on the Gadget XML link, go to that URL, copy the URL, and paste it in the Submit Your Application link, as we'll see in a minute. As the wiki page says, I go to Submit Your Application on the orkut sandbox, paste in the Gadget XML, choose a category, I'll choose Lifestyle, and click Submit. It then tells me to click here and then revisit that page. On the orkut page that asks me to verify the ownership of the gadget, I've selected the HTML string. I'm now going to copy it. Back on Zembly, I click on Insert the Ownership Token. A dialog opens. I paste in the ownership token from orkut, and I click OK. My final step is to tell Zembly about the Canvas URL of my live application on orkut once it has been accepted. I do that by clicking here. Once approved, here's where your application will end up, on the application directory on orkut. Zembly makes the process of building an orkut app from scratch much less daunting than you think it would be. Smooth and simple. Give it a try and see how easy it is to create an orkut app with Zembly.